All right, go ahead. So how do you do this problem? See my screen? Wait. You are teaching me how to do this problem? Do I need a basic equation? What is it? Okay, y equals mx plus b. All right, now 9, okay, equals 1, all right, cool, times 6, all right, cool, plus b, all right? 6 plus b. 6 times b is 6b. Okay, now what? All right, so then you get b is equal to what? What's the answer? Y is equal to 1x plus 3, but you don't need the 1, right? Well, actually, yeah, but it's not wrong with the 1. Okay, go ahead. Okay, so what makes this linear equation problem different than the rest? It will work half the time. So watch. So first of all, a slope of 0, is that side by side or up and down? Yeah, so this is a 0 slope. And do you know what the up and down slope is? It's a word, actually. It's not even a number. Undefined. Okay. If you have a slope of 0 and it goes through -9, -3, just go like this, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, it's right here. Now, how should I graph it from this point? You should know. You do know. Well, let me look at you. What are you doing? Okay. So it says it has a slope of 0. So I could either go like this with it, or I could, side by side, or up and down. Wait, what do we do right here? Side by side. So we go side by side. Now, just using your knowledge from before, what is the equation of this line? No, the equation is what equals -3? Yeah, y equals -3. So you don't solve it the traditional way. But if you wanted to, right, you say, all right, well, we're going to go y equals mx plus b, and you know the slope is 0, right? So you're going to put your 0 right here, and that's probably what you did. And then you put, what did you put for y? And what did you put for x? -9. And then you go plus b. All right, and then what do you end up with? No, like just from this part, from this work right here. Right. So that means, then that means -3 equals what? B. Good. Now we put it back together again. So you have y equals mx plus b. So then you go y equals m. But what's our m? So, and we'll put it there. And then x plus b. And you found your b to be -3. So then instead of plus 3, it's -3. And you get y. Then what do you get? Right. So then you don't have to write this down at all, right? This part? Right? And you get y equals -3. Okay. Right. But look, that approach is only going to work half the time, because if they gave you this problem, and they will, if they say, all right, it goes through 5, 3, and the slope is undefined. Okay, so for this one, tell me how you would do this one. Well, tell me how you would do it, so that way when it comes up, you can do it. Okay, so you plot it, go like this, and then go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. So here's the point 5, comma 3. Now, how do I draw my line? Undefined is up and down. Yeah. So undefined is up and down. So there's my ugly line. All right. See, and if you tried your other approach, it's not going to work. So if you go like y equals mx plus b, well, what are you going to plug in for m? You can't plug in the word undefined, right? And what is the actual answer? Like looking at it. For the one I just did right here, for this one. Like, what is the equation of this line? No, like, but what's the equation of this black line? No, you can stare at the graph. Yeah. That's what I'm trying to teach you. You should just know it by staring at it. Just like you did this one. You see over here? Look, what's the equation of this one here? Y equals negative 3. Because it's crossing the y. But look over here. Well, 5, right? Yeah. So x equals 5. So listen. So linear equations look like they can come in like 3 styles. Are you watching? I'm looking at your eyes. Okay. So you have they could look like this. That's one style of a linear equation. But it could also look like this, like x equals 5, or like y equals 5, or like x equals 2. So these are all 3 of these are linear. So when they tell you slope of 0, slope of undefined, just graph it. Way easier. All right, try another one. Okay, here we go. Walk me through this one. What do we do? Can you see my screen? All right. What do I do? What do I do? Okay, so 8 equals 5 times 0 plus b. All right, cool. I agree with that. 8 equals b. All right. Now put it all together again. Y equals 5x plus 8. Okay, so hold on.